Hi everyone. Today we're going to be making lemon ricotta spaghetti. So what all goes into lemon ricotta spaghetti? 1/2 pound spaghetti, 1 cup whole milk ricotta cheese, 3 cups of baby arugula, 1/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese, juice and zest of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 garlic cloves minced. I have already chopped. That's what I'm going to use instead of the minced. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes or red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper to taste. So let's begin. And I have a big pot of water. I'm going to add salt and we're going to bring it to a boil, and then we'll add the spaghetti. Alright, so my water is boiling. I have 1 pound of spaghetti. I only need 1/2, so I'll just put a 1/2 package in there, and you cook it according to the package directions. And I think I got a little bit more than half. Meanwhile, while the spaghetti's cooking, we're going to take a bowl and make the lemon ricotta sauce. We're going to take our 1 cup of ricotta, the 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the 1/3 cup Parmesan cheese, the 2 garlic cloves minced, and that equals out to be 1 teaspoon of already chopped or minced garlic, the zest from 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon, and the 1/4 teaspoon of the red chili or pepper flakes if you so desire. And then we'll go ahead and stir that up. And it looks pretty well stirred up to me. Okay, so the spaghetti is done, and we want to reserve 1/2 cup of pasta water. I'm actually going to have about a cup just in case I need a little bit more, because once you dump it out you can't get it back. So now I'll go ahead and drain the spaghetti really well. After the spaghetti is drained, we want to go ahead and dump it back into the pot and add the 3 cups of the arugula, the lemon ricotta mix, salt and pepper to taste, and the 1/2 cup pasta water, and if you need more, if it's not stirred good enough, you can add a little bit more. And we'll go ahead and mix it thoroughly. And here's what it looks like. I will dish it up and we'll try it out. And there you have it, the lemon ricotta spaghetti. And we're rounding out the meal with garlic Parmesan chicken. Okay, so you can eat this spaghetti hot or cold, and if you'd like, you can go ahead and add more Parmesan cheese. So go ahead and get my husband to try it and see what he thinks.
It tastes pretty good. It's got a little different texture to it. I don't know what it is, but it seems to have a little different texture to it. Tastes good though.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.